Fifth graders, welcome. Yes, this is week 2 of our health videos. A little different than last week. This week, all of this stuff is on this form right here, the Google form. You're going to watch my video. Then you're going to watch the YouTube video, which is about 5 to 6 minutes. Then you're going to come back here. So make sure you push pause on this, go to the other video, and come on back, and we can wrap up everything. So let's get started. Today, we're talking about the heart. Where's your heart? Left side of your body, right here. Now with that part, left side of your body, in your chest. Take the next 10 seconds, put your hand on your heart, feel the pump. It should be pumping nice and easy right now, not too fast, not too slow. And if you don't feel anything, we got some problems because you're not breathing. So I bet you it's pumping. Just give it a second. It's going. You feel it. Feels good. Now why? What is the heart doing for you? Well, let's find out. The heart, as we can see here, everyone knows that the heart is one of the most important parts of the body. But what is it? The heart is an organ located in your chest. It is also the center of the circulatory system. Not talking too much about circulatory system today, but no, the language. This is different. This is the difference. Connected parts of the body that will work together to distribute blood everywhere from our heads to our toes. Blood does a number of important jobs, from sealing up cuts in our fingers to fighting off viruses. So it's important that the blood goes to where it needs to. And all this blood is going to be transporting something pretty important for us. I'll give you a hint. That first part. That's that oxygen. That's what our body needs. That's what our blood needs. The blood takes the oxygen, moves it around the body, and then we get rid of all that carbon dioxide. So how does it work? Let's find out. Heart parts. The heart is part of the circulatory system. It works as a pump delivering oxygen to various parts of the body by pumping it through its atria, the plural of atrium, not too much, and ventricles. So we start right here. This is the right atrium. That is where the blood comes first. That is where the bad blood enters. Boo, bad blood. But we fix it. Goes in the right atrium, then it goes to the right ventricle. Then it goes to these pretty cool guys that are not pictured right here, but they're right down here. These are called our lungs. That's where we get that oxygen. After the lungs, it shoots back up to the left atrium, left ventricle. So the right atrium receives blood that needs oxygen, and pumps to the right ventricle. So first thing is that bad blood comes in, hits this right atrium. Right atrium recognizes, got some bad blood here, we're going to send it to the right ventricle. The right ventricle then gets the blood and it pumps it to the lungs. These lungs, these guys are your best friends because they help you breathe. And if you don't have any lungs, you ain't breathing. The blood absorbs oxygen in the lungs and becomes, this is the key word right here. You guys see this word? Oxygenated. Oxygenated means the blood now has the oxygen and is ready to go back into your system and pump and help your body out. So the oxygenated blood flows out of the left atria of the heart and then pump down to the left ventricle. And then after the left ventricle, it pumps the oxygen to your body. So it comes in, whee, down to the left ventricle, whoo, goes to the lungs where it is fixed up and is all good, goes to this right here, the left atrium, pumps down the left ventricle, then it shoots up and it goes all over your body, all in there. It helps you start feeling good. You're feeling the best now. You're ready to go. And then we get all that bad blood and it comes right on back to the right atrium. So right now, you are going to push pause on my video. You're going to go watch the YouTube video. It's going to be up 5-6 minutes. Then you're going to come right back here. Come back here after that YouTube video. I will see you in a second. All right, we are back, and now we are here. We are at our last part. After that video there, that 6-minute video, I thought it was pretty interesting. You got a better visual of how everything worked. And now, keep your heart happy. What are ways to keep your heart happy? Remember, your heart is a muscle right there. It's a muscle. You want that muscle to work, don't you? And if you want it to be strong, you need to exercise. How do you do that? Be active. It's PE, man. Go outside, go running, go biking, go jumping, jump rope, play basketball, play football with your friends, do all these fun things. It says 30 minutes right here. I say boo to 30 minutes. Up those numbers. We got to get those numbers up. 60, 70, 80 minutes. You can do it. Now, eat a variety of healthy foods and avoid high-fat foods. What are those? Well, Think of all those delicious fast foods and get rid of them. You want good stew, lean meats, beef, protein, excellent right there. Chicken, baked chicken, grilled chicken. I love chicken. It's delicious chicken. Some white or brown rice and some vegetables, fruit and vegetables at least 5 times a day. That means carrots that you get for lunch here. Fantastic. I love my carrots. Then you get some vegetables as well. Avoid sugary soft drinks and fruit drinks. Soda is bad. Don't drink it. And if you are, drink very, very little of it. It's not good for your body, your heart, your teeth, pretty much anything. It's extra weight in your body that you do not need. Another one, fruit drinks. Fruit drinks are good. They're delicious. I love my grapefruit. But remember, that grapefruit juice right there, or that grape juice, all of those have extra sugar, added sugar. We'll talk more about sugar in the future, but all of those sugars are not going to be helpful for you. You got to stay healthy. Remember, don't smoke. You can damage the heart, blood, and vessels. So do what you can. And what does that mean? Work out. Right now, you finished the video. You finished the YouTube video. You're finishing up with me. This is a Google form. Remember, right when you are done, 3 questions to answer. Once you answer those 3 questions, I got to respond back to you. You're going to know how you did. Thank you for coming. Remember, we still have our week 2 warm-up, week 2 workout. Lots to do still this week. Thank you so much for coming. I'll see you guys at the warm-ups.